What do you think the world of athletics and sports needs more of?
I think it's very important that because social media is so prominent today, especially with athletes, whether it's Twitter, whether it's Instagram, I think there needs to be more a more complete picture of what they're representing. You know, an athlete or anybody is always putting up this perfect portrait of themselves, whether it's in the gym, whether it's in the kitchen. And so someone at home who's looking at this and wants to be like that person, they're only seeing a small microcosm of what this person is only electing to share with you out there as an individual. And I think there needs to just be a more full disclosure of what they do, whether it's training, whether it's their nutrition, how they sleep, to really get the full picture of how they got to that level. That way, the person who is watching them or trying to emulate them isn't getting the false misrepresentation of what it really takes to get to that person's athletic success.
For sure. Like a highlight tape.
Yeah, like a highlight tape.
Yeah, well, because you also need like a low light tape to balance the highlight tape.
Exactly.
It's not all success all the time.
Exactly.